Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazem Muridi and in this video I'm planning to talk about do while loops. What exactly is do while? Actually do while loop is exactly same as while loop. So you don't need to be confused about this do while loop. And just the syntax a little bit different. I'm going to convert this code to the do while. So let's go ahead and do that. In order to do that, first you need to write do. As I write it, it will become green, which means the dot recognizes. Do this code every and when while the condition is met, which is I is less than 10. And at the end of you need to write down semicolon. So if I run this code, you will see that two times that let me remove this part, okay, because to it I would be increased by 2. So as you see, uh, do while I do exactly same stuff as the while loop, which has let me comment this part and run it separately. You will see that uh, both of them return the same result as it shows console. So do while is exactly same as while loop, but with a simpler or a more easier to understand for a developer. So both of them are same, and there is nothing to be uh, need understand about this. Just do the same stuff, but in a different syntax. I think that's enough for a while do while loop. If you like my video, please consider leaving a like or even subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Happy coding!